OFW ka ba at naghahanap ka, ano ba yung pinakamagandang business this 2026? Now, if you're an OFW at gusto mo mag-start ng business, this is perfect for you. Ang pinakamagandang business para sa'yo this 2026 is online business. Yes, you heard it right. Yung tipong business na pwede mong gawin habang nandyan ka, busy ka, during your break, gamit ang cellphone at saka yung internet. Bakit? Kasi marami na akong kakilalang OFW nagpadala sa Pilipinas para sa business ng kapatid nila, para sa business ni tatay. Pero most of the time, hindi nag-work. Bakit? Sa business kasi, kailangan mong tutukan yan. At posible na yung drive nila, yung vision mo, hindi vision nila. So magkaiba kayo ng drive. Okay? So nangyari was, hindi siya naging successful kasi wala ka. So now, you can start a business using your cellphone at your internet. Pero ang maganda, kontrolado mo. Ikaw yung hawak ng negosyo. Good thing about this one, maliit lang yung capital. So ito yung maganda sa online business and pwede mong gawin 1 or 2 hours depende sa'yo. Now, if you're interested sa community namin, Pinoy Traders Community, mayroon ho kaming tinatawag na free Forex webinar. So ito po, nagtuturo po kami sa mga OFW na gustong matuto ng Forex trading, online business na gamit ang cellphone. Now, if you're interested about this one, click mo lang baba, DM us below so that we will give you free access. Yes, you heard it right. Free lang po yung webinar namin para paano mag-start, paano matuto, mag-aral ng Forex trading. Kaya, message now.